Good afternoon and welcome to Ginger's Paradise. Today we will be harvesting hibiscus. Hibiscus, they call it flowers. However, it's actually sepals. We're going to learn about this today. Bring your bucket if you want to harvest with me. So the way that we harvest hibiscus flowers is we take what seems to look like flower petals, but are actually sepals. They are quite fatty and fruity looking. They have a dark red color, and they engulf a sort of capsule. The way we want to harvest is to take this fatty, fruity part off from around the capsule. We do so by sort of undressing the capsule and pulling the flower backwards. Now, when we do this, it'll snap and you'll have to break the flower, of course. But this is the best way to harvest for two reasons. One, you allow the capsule to fully mature without the fruit around it, which can sometimes rot the capsule inside. And when the capsule is exposed to the sun, it then ripens faster and it's easier to harvest the seeds. Since it is an annual plant and you have to plant it again and again every year, the best thing to do is to make good seed. You might notice that these plants are not found in a field of only hibiscus flowers. When you cultivate organically, it is very important to have biodiversity in what you plant and how you plant things, even the times that you plant things. Since we don't use any chemicals at Ginger's Paradise, this is very important to maintain a balance that is not attractive to the kinds of pests that would infest any kind of crop. If you would like to learn more about living off of the land in harmony with nature, in an integrated fashion, without sacrificing those little modern-day luxuries that make you enjoy life, well then be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, where we will teach you all of the things that you probably can't learn anywhere else.